Why do 90% of scorpions glow under UV light? Let's find out. Yep, you heard me right. Scorpions light up like neon signs under ultraviolet light. Scientists still aren't totally sure why, but it makes them look super cool. And get this, scorpions have been around for over 400 million years. That's older than dinosaurs, plus they can survive almost anything. Droughts, radiation, even being frozen or baked. Oh, and about that sting, only about 25 out of 2,000 species can actually harm humans. So maybe they're not as scary as we thought. Still, probably best to keep your distance just in case. So, next time you see a scorpion, remember, you're looking at a glowing, ancient, nearly indestructible creature. Cool, right?